Here we are, Rockin' Dogs on Monday, December 27th. And there's Hershey, and that's Millie, and Emma, and Jackson, and Navy, and there's Phoebe, and JoJo, and there's Bella, and Bobo, and Maya. And we're playing inside because the big dogs are outside. Oh, and there's Raisin. Raisin's so cute. And there's Caesar. He just runs back and forth and always wants to play with the big dogs, but he's too little. JoJo! They love playing on the race car bed. Hershey's getting a drink. And there's cute little Raisin. She's so cute. Emma and Bella. Just hanging out, having fun on the inside.